All right, Bajaj Auto is going to be putting out its numbers today. Karanya, since you tracked the company closely, what are you eyeing out for this result?
Well, it was an unprecedented quarter, really, if you look at how things have shaped up for many sectors, and Motown being one of the worst casualties as well. Production was completely on a standstill. Sales, showrooms, etc. were also completely closed for a significant part of the first quarter. We're witnessing a 64% decline in Bajaj's volumes, and that will, of course, translate into a weak set of numbers as well. The revenue figure we are expecting is 3,030 crores, down almost 61%. We're expecting PAT degrowth as well, close to 52-53 odd percent, coming in at 535 crores. What really also could slip quite sharply is the margins performance. We're expecting a 450-440 bips sort of a degrowth as far as the margins go. 11% is what our poll is indicating to. Of course, it's the weaker product mix, negative operating leverage, which will play the devil as far as the operating performance of the company goes. Some headwinds also include the likes of the fact that there was a lack of profit on the BS6 price hikes. They've not been able to garner any benefit from that. There were, of course, low volumes, which we all know of. But what we expect is better exports contribution and favorable currency exchange rate, which could offset the impact on margins to some extent. Of course, had this not been the case, margins could have come in way below than 11% as well. Of course, you also have low contribution coming in from three-wheelers, which may lower the overall benefit of the INR rate as well as of exports contribution. Now, what I will be watching out for and what the street will closely be watching out for is the way forward. How are three-wheelers, the demand for it shaping up? How is two-wheeler demand looking like in local market, in global markets, key export markets for Bajaj? What is the production upgrade like? Has there been an impact of downgrading as well, which they will be witnessing this quarter? And the outlook on demand in key export markets is something that everybody will be closely watching out for. Bajaj, ahead of its numbers, continues to trade weak. Varun.